Welcome to DelphStack. Today, we are going to fix inverted mouse controls in Roblox. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to roblox.com. After the site loads, use the search bar at the top and type the name of any game you want to play. Click on the game and wait for it to load. When you enter the game, you may notice a problem with your camera. If you move your mouse down, the camera goes up. If you move it up, the camera goes down. This is what we call inverted mouse controls. To fix this, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open the Roblox menu. Now click on Settings. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the camera options. Look for the option called Camera Inverted. If it is turned on, switch it off. After that, press Escape again to return to the game. Now test your mouse movement. Move your mouse up and down. The camera should now move normally. When you look up, it goes up. When you look down, it goes down. Thanks for watching.